Yeah, hi, I'm going to show you how to play the A flat minor chord on the keyboard. First locate your root note, the A flat. Play this with your first finger. Locate your next note, it's a C flat, like this. And the last note you need will be an E flat. Play this with your fifth finger. The A flat minor chord. Now, because the A flat minor chord is in fact a 3-note chord, you can also have what's known as 3 inversions of the chord. Now, this inversion is called the root inversion or root note inversion because you have the root note at the bottom of the chord. To make the next inversion, simply move the bottom note of the chord, the A flat, all the way to the top. Move your hand. This is the A flat minor chord first inversion. To make the next inversion, move the bottom note, the C flat, all the way to the top. Move your hand. This is called the A flat minor second inversion. Now you'll notice if we make one more inversion, moving the bottom note, this time the E flat, all the way to the top, we will in fact be back at the root inversion of the chord, just like the one we started with, only 1 octave higher. Now, of course, you can go the other way, downwards on the piano. This is A flat minor root inversion. To go downwards, move the top note to the bottom of the chord, move your hand. This is the second inversion. Move the top note to the bottom. This is first inversion. And one more time, the top note to the bottom of the chord, the A flat minor root inversion. Okay, let's do it one more time. Root inversion, first inversion, second inversion, root inversion, and downwards, root inversion, second inversion, first inversion, root inversion. To practice these inversions, simply play like this. And you can also practice the inversions using arpeggios, like this. There you have it, the A flat minor chord. So, I hope you enjoyed this free piano lesson. If you want more free piano chord stuff, how about a free piano chord chart? Or a free chord inversion crash course? Or a free chord symbols chart? Simply go to pianochordcharts.net and download your free stuff. Click the link below and I'll see you over there. Please like this video to keep our videos free for future visitors. Thank you.